कला अकादमीच्या कॉलेज ऑफ थिएटर आर्ट्सच्या वतीन ताबूत जिंदगी या हिंदी नाटकाची निर्मिती केल्या। कवींद्र फळदेसायान बरयल्ल्या ह्या नाटकाचे कला अकादमीत शेनवारा सादरीकरण जातले। गांवगिऱ्या वाठारांतल्या घडणुकांचे व्यक्तिरेखांचे थेट काळजात रिगपी चित्रण म्हटल्यार ताबूत जिंदगी अशें विजय कुमार नायकान सांगले।
नाट्य विद्यालयाच्या अभ्यासक्रमाचो भाग म्हण शेनवारा 6 मार्चाक कला अकादमीच्या दीनानाथ मंगेशकर थिएटरांत सांजे 7 वरांचेर हे नाटक सादर जातले। कला अकादमी गोवा कॉलेज ऑफ थिएटर आर्ट्सचे दुसऱ्या वर्साचे विद्यार्थी तातूंत वांटो घेतले। नाटकाचे दिग्दर्शन विजय कुमार नायकान केला। नाटकाक प्रवेश मूल्य आसचें ना, पूण मास्क घालप सक्तीचे आसतले।
College of Theatre Arts has been functioning for last 3 years. We are running a 4-year degree program affiliated to Goa University, and we have almost 90 students till date for the 3 batches. Since the course is oriented towards producing professionals in the field of theatre arts and all other performing arts as well, including films, we are now actually producing 2 plays, one for second year and other is for third year students. This press conference is particularly to talk about, to give you information about the production which will be now staged in this week on 6th of March in the DMK auditorium at 7 p.m. And the name of the play is Taboot Zindagi, which is a Hindi play written by Mr. Kavindra Faldesai and directed by our guest faculty and a well-known theatre personality in Goa, Shri Vijay Kumar Naik. Similarly, for third year, we are also staging a play which will be directed by Professor Afsar Hussain. He was a former faculty member of School of Drama of Kala Academy and our guest faculty for this particular program. And this will be produced somewhere, and we are trying to stage it on World Theatre Day in this month itself. So, or it could be held somewhere in April, but we are trying to have it within this month.
As part of the curriculum, second semester students has to undergo a performance. That program has got 4 credits, so 60 hours they are getting to build up the performance. The basic intention behind this particular subject is to train the students to take the responsibility in every departments of the theatre. And so the pending production which is coming up now is Taboot Zindagi for the second year students. It is written by Kavindra Faldesai. It is in Hindi. Basically it has a background of Goan culture, and all the students are acting into that. Plus, they have taken up all the responsibilities, right from set designing, light designing, music design, costume design, makeup, management, documentation, publicity. Every department has been handled by the students, and that's a nice experience. Although we are seeing very less plays nowadays, there is one reason I would call up the audience to come down. Secondly, it is to encourage the young upcoming talent of Goa who is going to represent Goa in future, to encourage them. And very interestingly, I won't open the story, but it's a nice story and it's a nice play. Kavindra Faldesai is basically based in village in Kankona, so he has that nice observations coming around. And what he had observed when he was doing his PG in Goa University, it has reflected in this play. Just to give a gist, it's a story of a coffin maker who likes to sing when he makes up his work. And what way he's been received by his family or the society is what the core of the play is.
गोवा 365 खातीर पणजेच्यान इर्शाद शेख।